This is Michael Luchies from How to Livable, and today we're going to create a group on LinkedIn. Now, groups are a fantastic way to build an audience and also to grow your startup business or your personal brand, but you have to do it the right way. In this video, we're going to show you how to create a group, and also I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to grow your group. If you could take just a second and like this video, we'd really appreciate it. We'll help other people find this content. Also subscribe to the How to Livable channel if you're interested in getting more on LinkedIn, how to grow your business, and so much more. So let's first find where groups are. So you're going to go ahead and log in. You want to get to your feed page, which is what you're seeing right now, my feed, and you click on work. Then when the icons pull up, you're going to go ahead and click on groups. Once you click on groups here in the second row, you will see this page, which shows all of your current groups that you're a part of. You want to go ahead and click on create group here in the right hand corner. And once you do that, this screen pulls up. But it looks like we have a lot of work to do. So let's talk about what you need to start a group. Here's what you need to start a group on LinkedIn. Obviously, you need a group name. You need a description, which is basically the answer to the question, what is the purpose of your group? You have up to 2,000 characters to describe this. You then need a logo image and a cover image. The logo image is 60 by 60 pixels. Cover image is 1776 by 444. I created my images on canva.com for free. It's a tool that I really enjoy using. Then you want to pick industries that are relevant to your group. I end up only picking 2, which I'll show you, but you can choose up to 3 here. You then describe your location, which is probably just where you are. You want to create the group rules, the rules that the group is going to have to follow, and then there's a couple additional options, including having your group being publicly listed or unlisted, so that it's private. And there's also permissions, including allowing members of your group to invite their network, which is a good way to get your group to grow. Once you have all your information filled out, you can click on Create, and then you will be able to see your brand new page. Here is mine for Write Your Startup. It's a community for startup finders to grow their business using writing. I'm a writer, work with small businesses and startups and help them grow their business. So this is kind of a place where I want to give them free information and tips and tools to be able to grow their business. And this is what the information looks like here that you'll need to fill out. Upload your cover image, your logo, put in your group name. Here's my description. As I mentioned, I just selected 2 industries here, marketing and advertising and public relations and communications, because those are most relevant to this group. I then created quick group rules. I would just start with 2 to 3 at this point, and then you can create more as the group grows, and you start to see kind of what works, what doesn't. If people are trying to take advantage of the system, I would definitely have a rule about no soliciting in the group to make sure people are gaining value and not just trying to shill whatever they're working on. And then here are the different options. I do have my group publicly listed so new people can find it. I'm also allowing new members to invite their connections. Another permission you might want to consider is if you're requiring new posts to be reviewed by administrators, which is probably you at this point. If you do want them to abide by that, then you can click that here and then save. So that is how to create a group on LinkedIn. Let's look at 5 tips on how to grow your LinkedIn group. Number 1, hone in on a single focus. People find and join your group because you're solving a need that they have, or you're covering a specific topic that they're really interested in. If it's too broad, people just aren't going to join. That's why I picked something specific, growing a startup with writing. Tip number 2, share in your personal networks. This is Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. Share in all of these. Even if you don't have a lot of people in your network who might want to join this group, they might know other people and let them know about it. So make sure you are sharing this and do it more than just once. You don't have to shove it down people's throats, but share several times in each of those networks. Number 3, I would definitely recommend allowing members to invite their connections and also encouraging them to do that. So you could have an Invite Monday where each person in the group invites one person to join. Do something like that to really help the group grow quickly. Number 4, just keep giving. You want to give as much value as possible. If people join your group and then you're asking them to pay some subscription fee or do a bunch of things for you, it's really going to turn them off. They might not leave the group, but they might never come back and engage. So give them as much value as possible. I'm going to be giving free access to some of my courses on how to name a business, how to write blog posts, different things that might be valuable to them, because I really want to build a community, and that's what you should be doing in your LinkedIn group as well. And the final tip here is highlight and involve members. So this is another way that you can give back to your community. You can interview different members of your group. You can do a profile series where you let the other community members know about each one. This is a great way to showcase people who are part of your group and give value to them. I mean, everybody's on LinkedIn to do what? To grow their business, to gain new connections, to get a job, any of those. This is helpful for that. This will help them accomplish their goals on LinkedIn, and it'll also help spur engagement within your group. So that is how to create a group on LinkedIn. I hope this has been helpful. Please do make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to How to Livable. If you need any help with your group, with writing on LinkedIn, or with video on LinkedIn, please comment below and say, I need help. Thanks again.